أجمعين أما بعد. Praise be to Allah who has given us a health and power so that we good action of speech even. Salawat and salam to Prophet elect Messenger of Allah. He is Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Who has took us from Jahiliyah eras to Islamic eras, and from stability eras to knowledge eras. Salawat and salam also to all and Sahabah of the Prophet who helped fight for this Islamic religion. The Honorable Chairman of Presentation, respect this ceremony, and my beloved brother and sister here. So, in this occasion, let me try to talk about life under the guidance of Quran. As Muslim, we believe in the Quran as the holy book revealed from Allah to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Al-Quran is the guidance for human life to get happiness on the world and the hereafter. Al-Quran is the greatest miracle as the proof of Muhammad prophethood. Al-Quran has the most beautiful structure and the deepest meaning which is unparalleled to any of human creation. As Muslim, we must read, study and implement the teaching of Al-Quran because it is observed Allah's order and truth. Al-Quran is the best reading material to entertain our heart in time of sickness. To strengthen us when we feel weak, to show our gratitude when we are happy, and to heal us when we feel sick. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said in the Holy Quran, A'udhu billahi minasyaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa nunazzilu minal Qur'ani ma huwa shifaa'un wa rahmatun lil mu'minin wa la yazidu adh-dhalimina illa khasara. We send down in the Quran that which is healing and mercy to those who believe, and it increases the zalimun, nothing but lose. Nowadays, we see the really in our lifetime many people reject the truth of Al-Quran. They don't believe Al-Quran is the Christian of God. They accuse Al-Quran is the Christian of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They think that they can rule their life merely by depending on their ideas and opinions. These people have gone astray. They rob the right of God, separately to rule the human life, whereas we know that good Allah is the creator, the universe, and He is alone. Who has the rule to write our life through His holy book Al-Quran. To end my speech, let's improve our desire to study and implement the teaching of Al-Quran. That's all what I can tell you on this occasion. Hope you can be the lovers of Al-Quran, and thanks for anything.
Waalaikumsalam.